Hi, in this video I will show you how to set video as lock screen wallpaper on the Android. So the process is pretty simple. I have checked many videos on the YouTube. They are suggesting different application. When I check that applications that are almost fake application. So how you can do it? So simply you have to first of all open your TikTok if you have in your phone, but if you don't have, simply you can download it to your phone. So open it. Now you have to select any video you want to make as a mobile lock screen, then click on the share. Once you will click on the share, you will see set as a wallpaper. You have to tap on it. It will start downloading. But if you are new on the TikTok, it will start downloading some other application that helps you to make this. And now you will see set as wallpaper. Simply you have to tap on it, set as a wallpaper. So this is the procedure to set video as a lock screen on the Android. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.